Yes. Enough? Enough insect appreciating for the day?
No.
Oh, oh. Excuse me, Jody. Is this in focus? I don't know, but this is wild boar sausage. Okay.
You just keep holding it there.
I'm supposedly outside the bookstore right now. The bookstore where they shot the scene from 我们的少女时代. But I don't know if this is the one. I hope this is the one.
You probably need to color grade it a bit. See how? Is this the one? Is this the one? Is this the one? Is this the one? Is this the one?
Everyone, so I'm here at the bookshop where they filmed the bookstore scene from 我们的少女时代 and socks. I think it's quite underwhelming. Okay, then again, it's been 3 years since the movie, so like the inside of the bookstore feels looks a lot more different than the one in the movie. It's okay, got a few stickers for souvenirs, so yeah. Oops, the art team and the editing team probably did a very good job color grading the place such that it doesn't look like the one I saw just now. You know the shelf where the couple looked over like to talk to each other, right? Yeah, like that shelf had like some hentai poster on it. But nonetheless, I'm glad I paid a visit to the bookstore because I go and see where my favorite film was shot at. Yeah, still very happy I made it here, although it was underwhelming.